So apparently, standing still is now a workout. And honestly, after using this thing, I'm not mad about it. The concept with this MERACH vibration plate is simple. You stand on it, it vibrates, and your muscles spend the whole time quietly panicking trying to keep you stable. Well, it's not that bad, actually. That involuntary muscle engagement is the whole point. It stimulates circulation, supports lymphatic drainage, activates your core and lower body, and supposedly helps with things like muscle soreness, joint tension, and post workout recovery, all while you just stand there or squat or do some other minor movements, or just watch TV. Under the hood, there's a 150-watt motor with an 11 mm amplitude. That's the depth of each vibration, which is enough to feel genuinely effective without rattling your fillings out. It also, surprisingly, doesn't make too much noise, though I wouldn't use it in proximity to someone who's trying to get some shut-eye. If you put it in auto mode, you can manually up the vibration on a 10-point scale up to 10, though I personally don't feel that range is huge. I've been using it only for a couple of weeks now, but every single day, often twice a day, for the recommended 10 minutes. Sometimes I sit on it, sometimes I put my arms on it, and sometimes I've done squats on it, but admittedly, most of the time, I just stand. And yeah, I feel great after using it. I bought it primarily to relax muscles after long days or workouts, but most of all for the claim of lymphatic drainage, which I feel I need. It lives on my floor, taking up about the space of a large doormat, and if you're luckier than me, you've got space for it under your bed. I'm still figuring out where mine's going to live. I know that if I don't leave it out somewhere accessible, I'm not going to use it much, and I think the real benefits with this kind of thing is that they'll kick in only with consistent use daily over time, and I do want to keep using it for that. For circulation, recovery, lymphatic support, and low-impact daily movement, especially if you're someone who sits at a desk most of the day, which is unfortunately the case for me, this is a smart, compact, and genuinely useful addition to a home setup, I think. 10 minutes a day, that's all it asks. So yeah, I recommend this.